Megacities, cities with a population of at least 10 million, are sprouting everywhere in Africa. Cairo in Egypt, Kinshasa in the DRC, and Lagos in Nigeria are already megacities, while Luanda in Angola, Dar es Salaam in Tanzania, and Johannesburg in South Africa will attain the status by 2030, according to the United Nations. Abidjan in the Ivory Coast and Nairobi in Kenya will surpass the 10 million threshold by 2040. The number of people living in urban areas in Africa will double to more than 1 billion by 2040, according to the World Bank. Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. The 540 square kilometer urban area of Addis Ababa is Ethiopia's capital city and commercial hub. It has a population of 4.5 million. In 2019, Bloomberg reported that the city's population is expected to reach 8.1 million by 2040. Addis Ababa's average annual GDP is $32 billion and is annually growing at an average rate of 12%. The city is an industrial and manufacturing hub which contributes 4% to the country's economy. Addis Ababa is also experiencing a construction boom. In 2015, the first ever modern urban rail service was built in the city for $470 million. This rail service is first of its kind in sub-Saharan Africa. Still, poverty is high in the city. 80% of urban dwellers in the country live in the slums. Crime levels are relatively low in the capital, but petty crimes like pickpocketing happen. Nairobi. Nairobi is Kenya's capital and largest city. It has an estimated population of about 4.5 million residents, of which 60% live in poverty. It is a hub of commerce, technology, industry, and finance in East and Central Africa. Nairobi is also experiencing a construction boom, with the city slated to be home to Africa's tallest skyscrapers. Nairobi contributes 60% to Kenya's GDP. Major airlines and charter plane companies operate from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, thereby opening East Africa to the rest of the world. Crime levels in Nairobi are classified as medium, with robberies, carjacks, and street crimes being prevalent. Abidjan. The 900 square kilometer Abidjan city is the economic capital of Ivory Coast. It has an estimated population of about 5.1 million people as of 2019. A study by the University of Ontario reports that the population of Abidjan grows by 3% annually. The city has a population density of 9,000 per square kilometer. Abidjan is Ivory Coast's hub of industrialization and urbanization. The city accounts for 18% of national employment, 52% of secondary urban employment, and 50% of the country's GDP. Cocoa, oil, and natural gas sectors are other major economic contributors. Abidjan has a refinery that processes crude oil. The petroleum extracted is then exported or used to process oil products locally. Alexandria. Alexandria is a 200 square kilometer historical Mediterranean port and beach city in Egypt. It was founded in 300 BC by Alexander the Great. It is the second largest city in the country with a population of about 5.2 million people. Alexandria's population grows by 2% annually. The city contributes $46 billion to the Egyptian economy every year. Its economy is anchored largely by tourism. It is thereby referred to as the Pearl of the Mediterranean. Nearly half of Egypt's industrial activity happens in and around Alexandria, making it a major water consumer. Agriculture, growing population, and rapid urbanization are some of the factors increasing the water needs in Alexandria. Johannesburg. Johannesburg is the largest city in South Africa and the capital of Gauteng, the wealthiest province in the country. It has a population of 5.8 million. From 2001 to 2011, the population increased by 3%. Johannesburg generates 17% of South Africa's wealth and is the 27th largest city economy in the world. The city is a vibrant hub of manufacturing, retail, technology, fashion, and service sectors like hotels. Johannesburg is also a continental financial hub, hosting major world banks and Africa's largest stock in sandstone. Poverty is also rife in the city, with over 1 million people living in the city slums. Dar es Salaam. The 570 square kilometer Dar es Salaam is Tanzania's largest city. It is also the largest port city in East Africa and has a population of about 6.7 million residents. According to a World Bank report, 70% of Dar es Salaam's residents live on about $1 a day in informal and planned settlements, which lack proper roads, water, and proper sanitation facilities. Dar es Salaam is Tanzania's hub for industry, education, and economy. This former capital generates 70% of the national GDP. As a city by the ocean, new external investment is being directed to port expansion. In 2015, the World Bank signed a $570 million deal to double the port's capacity by 2020. Luanda. Luanda is Angola's capital and largest city. The city's population was recorded at 8 million according to preliminary data in 2019, but the number was later revised to 7.5 million. Luanda has the highest annual population growth in Africa. By 2030, it is estimated to have 9 million residents. The city hosts the country's busiest seaport off the Atlantic Ocean coast. The seaport is a gateway to export petroleum, diamonds, iron ore, and fish products. It is also used to import iron, steel, machinery, flour, and coal. Wealth from the mining and oil sectors has catalyzed a boom in construction in Luanda as high-rise offices and posh homes are built. Banking, finance, telecommunications, and tourism sectors are also booming in Luanda. Kinshasa. Kinshasa is the Democratic Republic of Congo's capital and largest city. It is located next to the Congo River. After Paris, it is the second largest French-speaking city in the world. Kinshasa's population is estimated to be between 10 million to 14 million. Although the DRC is mineral-rich, 64% of the population lives below the poverty line. Gas, oil, agriculture, and timber are the other key resources sustaining Kinshasa's economy. Due to corruption and perennial conflicts, most of the population does not benefit from the profits generated from the economy. Cairo. Cairo is Egypt's largest city and capital. It is heralded as the cradle of civilization. It has a population of over 22 million. According to a 2014 Population Reference Bureau report, the country's population is growing at a rate of 2.6% annually. Cairo is Egypt's economic hub with 2/3 of the country's GDP generated in the greater metropolitan section. Textile and food processing, iron and steel production, consumer good production are some of the top job-creating sectors in the city. Cairo is also a vibrant hub of tourism, commerce, finance, and government services. Lagos. Lagos City in Lagos State is Nigeria's largest city and its economic capital. It is located on the Atlantic Ocean's coastline. It is the seventh fastest growing city in the world. It has a population of 24 million. The population grows at an annual rate of 2 to 3%. Unlike other states dependent on oil revenues, Lagos has a diversified economy with manufacturing, transport, construction, and retail sectors. Lagos State generates $90 billion in goods and services annually. If it were a country, the Lagos State economy would be the seventh largest one in Africa.